If the market only knows how to increase, will everyone become a billionaire? A world where every crypto coin you touch turns to gold, where even the silliest meme tokens are suddenly worth more than your house. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, my friends, welcome to the wild ride of a bull market. In this crypto wonderland, it's as if someone sprinkled magic dust on the charts. Everything's going up, up, and away. You wake up one morning, check your portfolio, and bam! Your favorite altcoin has just doubled in value. You rub your eyes, thinking it's a glitch. But nope, it's just another day in bull market paradise. But what exactly is this mystical beast we call a bull market? Imagine a massive party where money is the guest of honor and everyone's invited. It's a time when the market is feeling extra generous, prices are climbing faster than a squirrel up a tree, and investors are grinning from ear to ear. In simple terms, a bull market is when we see a strong upward trend, and money is flowing into the crypto space like a river after a heavy rain. During these euphoric times, it's not uncommon to see your neighbor's dog launching its own cryptocurrency. And guess what? It might even pump 1,000% in a day. That's the beauty and madness of a bull market. Even the most ridiculous ideas can suddenly seem like genius investments. But here's the kicker, folks. While it might feel like free money is raining from the sky, there's a little secret that seasoned traders know all too well. The biggest profit is for those who enter early, not those who enter late. Think about it like this. You're at a party, and someone starts handing out delicious cake. The early birds get the biggest, juiciest slices with all the frosting. But if you show up late, well, you might be left with just crumbs and a whole lot of FOMO, fear of missing out. This is where things get interesting, and a bit dangerous. As the bull market rages on, more and more people start to believe that this party will never end. They think they've cracked the code, that they're financial geniuses who can do no wrong. Stocks only go up, they proclaim, as they pour their life savings into the latest hot token. But here's the twist that catches many off guard. Just when everyone thinks they've got it all figured out, just when traders are convinced that the bull market is an unstoppable force of nature, bam! They encounter the dreaded bear market. Imagine the shock on their faces when they wake up one day to find their portfolios bleeding red. It's like going to sleep in a tropical paradise and waking up in the middle of a snowstorm. The once unstoppable rocket ships are now plummeting back to Earth, and those meme coins that were going to make everyone rich? Well, let's just say they're not so funny anymore. This roller coaster of emotions is what makes the crypto market so fascinating and so terrifying. One moment you're on top of the world, the next you're wondering if you should have just stuck to your day job. But here's the thing. Both bull and bear markets are natural parts of the economic cycle. They're like the yin and yang of the financial world, each playing its role in the grand scheme of things. The bull brings optimism, growth, and opportunity. The bear brings reality checks, consolidation, and, believe it or not, opportunities of its own, if you know where to look. So, as we ride this wild crypto wave, it's worth asking yourself, do you see yourself as born to be a bull or a bear? Are you the type to charge ahead, full of optimism, always looking for the next big thing? Or are you more cautious, skeptical, always preparing for the worst while hoping for the best? The truth is, the most successful investors often have a bit of both in them. They know how to ride the bull without getting trampled, and they know how to hibernate during the bear without losing sight of the future. Remember, in the world of crypto, fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. It's a space where memes can become millionaires, and where the line between genius and madness is often blurrier than a low-res JPEG NFT. As you navigate these choppy waters, keep in mind that while bull markets can make you feel invincible, it's often the lessons learned during the bear markets that truly shape a successful investor. It's easy to make money when everything's going up. The real skill lies in preserving and growing your wealth over the long term, through both the ups and the downs. So, the next time you find yourself in the midst of a raging bull market, enjoying those sweet, sweet gains, take a moment to pause. Ask yourself, am I getting in early or am I late to the party? Am I investing based on solid fundamentals or am I just chasing the latest hype? And most importantly, remember that what goes up must eventually come down, at least for a while. The key is to be prepared for both scenarios, to have a strategy that can weather any market condition. In the end, whether you're a bull or a bear, the crypto market has room for all types of investors. It's a space that rewards the bold, but also teaches harsh lessons to the reckless. It's a world where fortunes are made and lost, where memes become millions, and where the only constant is change. So, as you embark on your crypto journey, keep your wits about you, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Because in this wild west of digital assets, the ones who survive and thrive are those who can adapt, learn, and keep their cool, whether they're riding the bull or facing down the bear. And who knows? Maybe one day, you'll look back on these crazy times and laugh, remembering when you thought a dog-themed coin would make you a millionaire. Or maybe, just maybe, you'll be laughing all the way to the bank. Either way, buckle up, crypto cowboys and cowgirls. This bull might take us to the moon, but remember, the bear is always waiting in the shadows, ready to remind us that in the world of crypto, what goes up doesn't always stay up. But hey, that's what makes it so exciting, right? So, are you ready to grab this bull by the horns? Just remember, sometimes it's the bear who ends up teaching us the most valuable lessons. Happy trading, and may your portfolios always be green, or at least not too red.